have entered the prep zone for a volleyball match. It's District 4, Division 1. This is the big time, folks. Ponchatoula, the Lady Green Wave are here to take on the Slidell Lady Tigers in that district matchup. 2-1, Ponchatoula, seasoned club going up against Slidell, who's got a bunch of babies. The coach will tell you, you're going to hear in a minute. They got a young group, but they're getting better every day. Ponchatoula at Slidell. Pregame with Coach Michelle Anderson. Coach, first year at Slidell. Tell us a little bit about how your team's doing so far this year.
Well, I think we're doing absolutely wonderful. As far as I'm concerned, we're babies, we're freshmen, we're sophomores, and our goal is every day to try to get just a little bit better. I have girls that are working hard every day, and I think we're accomplishing that.
Today you have Ponchatoula. What is your team going to need to do to beat this veteran team?
We are going to have to play extremely hard. Ponchatoula has a really seasoned, very good team this year, and we are just going to have to not lose our poise, because we're going to run into sometimes I think that'll be tough, and maybe if we can keep our cool, maybe we can just continue to fight and hang in there.
Pre-game with Coach Lauren Long. Coach, last year your team made the playoffs. You've got a seasoned group, you've got about 5 or 6 seniors. Tell us a little bit about how you're doing so far this year.
Doing very well this year. It's just coming together as a team. I mean, this group of seniors have been playing together, as I said, as you said, since their freshman year, and they're doing very well. They're all seasoned, and they're really a team, and they're really a unit. And once we put it all together, and consistency is what we're struggling with right now, and these last few games we're kind of finding it. So, looking forward to a very exciting season.
2-1 in the district, which is a tough district, but you guys have a chance today to beat Slidell. What are you going to need to do that?
Yes, sir. Consistency. Once again, just strive on consistency and play at that level that we know that we can play at. Honestly, I don't think my team has played the way they can play. They've shown, they kind of teased me with what they can do. Once we play as a team and as a unit, we're going to be pretty tough to beat. So if we can find that today, I think we will be successful.
Ponchatoula to serve. Jenna Reno to serve. In the middle. So good rally point here in the first set. Big hit right there. Good save by Risen. And a big hit from Ponchatoula. Skylar Ramsey with the kill. And the Lady Green Waves are up early. 1-0 in set number 1. Best 3 out of 5. That time, Kashmir Hamilton gets the kill. 2-0, Lady Green Wave early. That one was out on the serve. Point to Slidell. And Casey Livingston will serve it up for the Lady Tigers. That one's going to be long from Ramsey. 2-2. Livingston on the serve. And that one didn't have a lot on it, but it got over. Point, first lead of the set for Slidell. That one caught the tape. 2 aces in a row now for Casey Livingston. In a 4-2 lead, set number 1. Wow, good play at the net right there. A great dig by Reason that just got stuffed at the net. Lady Green Wave within one. Knaps on the serve. In the middle. Right down the middle that time with Erica Bennett from Slidell getting the kill and a 5-3 lead for the Lady Tigers. If you're just joining us, everything in this place is green and white. Both teams in green and white. I feel like I'm with my ancestors in Ireland. Good dig over there by Knaps. Both teams with some rallies here early. Big hit, trying to stay alive. Nope. Big hit out of Gabby Aguilar makes it 6-3. Megan Amon to serve. That one is out. 7-3. Set number one. Amon to serve again. That one's out. And an unforced service error. 7-4, the Slidell lead. Skylar Ramsey on the serve. 8-4. Riley Herliska to serve. That one's going to go wide. Both teams with two unforced service errors, which is a big time no-no in volleyball. When that happens, you give a point to the other team and they get to serve. 8-5. The Slidell lead, set number one. Heather Lobb on the serve. Nice kill at the net by Sydney Zieber. Gets her team within 2 points. They trail 8-6, set number one, and Heather Lobb is serving. This one's in the middle. That one's going to go long. Aaliyah Burdine set up there and was long on that hit as Coach Anderson is moving around where she's wanting her hitters from the middle to the outside. This one's going outside. Zieber gets it over. This one's got to go over. And that one is played, and a point for the Lady Green Wave, and we're tied at 8. And Heather Lobb is continuing to serve. A kill that time from Gabby Aguilar stops the run. The 5-point run by the Lady Green Wave. Slidell up by 1, Aguilar to serve. Zieber guides it over into an open spot and ties it up at 9. Both teams kind of feeling each other out here in the early going. Slidell built a 4-point lead, and Ponchatoula has come back. Big hit right there from Jaslyn Bright, the left-hander. Knocks it down. Breaks the tie. Slidell up by 1 now. Set number one, 10-9. And Victoria Reason will serve. Quick set for Longview, and that one goes out. 11-9. And Reason will serve it up. 2-point lead for the Lady Tigers. Good job that time by Ashley Knaps of just guiding it over and catching Slidell flat-footed. 11-10. Sydney Zeber to serve. And we're tied at 11. There's been 2 ties in this set, 8-8, 11-11, Zeber serving. Big hit down the middle by Bennett. And Slidell wrestles back the lead at 12-11. Set number 1. Jaslyn Bright will serve, the lefty. Good job by Ponchatoula playing that one out. Oh, carry called on that one. So point to Slidell. Bright on the serve. Big hitter, Ramsey. Good dig by Bright. That one goes out of bounds, however. 13-12, 1-point lead, Slidell. Both teams with some pretty good outside hitters, middle hitters, middle blockers. I mean, pretty darn good. Bennett took a little bit off of that. And Slidell is up by 2 with the number 3 ranked large school overall in Metro being Fontainebleau. They're the team to beat in this district. After that, it's anybody's game. So games like these have playoff potential, even this early in the district. Livingston. Zeber nets that one from the back line. And a 3-point lead for Slidell in set number 1. Livingston on the serve. Ramsey in the net. Ramsey a little too close right there. You can tell she's got some power though. Here she goes. That one cuts off the tape. And the Lady Green Wave get a good bounce as they get a point and the serve. They trail 16-13. Ashley Knaps to serve. Big hit down the middle by Bennett. So Bennett providing good points in the middle for Coach Anderson's team. Megan Amon will serve. Zeber from the back line, pretty strong. Amon, good dig. Wow, great job by Reno to save that one from Aguilar's hit. Here she comes again. Pretty strong, still alive. Back set, That one down into the back corner from Waddell. 17-14, great point there. Rally by both teams. Aguilar with a couple of really good kill attempts, but Reno came up with a great dig to keep the ball alive, and Ponchatoula prevailed on that point. Curtis on the service. Burdine blisters one. And pushes Slidell out to a 4-point lead at 18-14. Riley Herliska will now serve. At the net, Aaliyah Burdine with a nice play right there. Gets her team to a 5-point lead. 19-14, Herliska to serve. And Zeber goes with the left hand, making a really nice play, and gets her team back within 4 at 19-15. And Heather Lobb, who had some success serving earlier, is on. Carry. 19-16, 3-point lead. Lob to serve. In the middle, Aguilar. Good dig by Naps. Back set. Great dig by Waddell. Aguilar. Gabby Aguilar didn't have as much as normal on that one, but it found an open spot. Timeout. With the score 20-16 late in set number 1. The Lady Tigers of Slidell up over the Ponchatoula Lady Green Wave. Coming out of the timeout, Aguilar will serve. Her team up by 4. Hamilton makes sure it gets over. The left-hander blisters one. Jaslyn Bright. Coach Anderson finding scoring from the right side and the left side and the middle. Spreading the wealth. Aguilar. Hamilton. Naps plays it up, and they're not going to get it over. 22-16. Aguilar to serve. Larmew beats that one to the court. And gets her team within 5 late in set number 1. 5-point lead for Slidell. That one's out. 22-18. And Waddell, Emily Waddell will serve it up again. Line drive serve by Waddell. And Burdine handcuffs Hamilton. 23-18, 5-point lead for Slidell. Reason will serve. 2 points away from the first set. Quick set, Larmew dinks it. Good save by Higgins. Zeber. Zeber right there. Good play by Larmew to come over and knock that one down. A couple of kills from her coming off the bench here late in set number 1. Higgins with the kill. And we have set point. And we're going to have another timeout by Coach Long. Her team down by 5 late in set number 1. Bright to serve with set point for the Lady Tigers. Back set for Larmu. Hamilton in the net, and set number 1 goes to Slidell, 25-19.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools, an A-rated school district. Graduates with the highest ACT scores in the state. Facilities with the latest technology. Safe and secure schools. A variety of sports, fine arts, and learning to last a lifetime.
I'm Superintendent Trey Foles, and this is where we educate every child, every day.
Set number 2, Casey Livingston to serve. Larmu gets it over. Perlisco with the double hit. Ponchatoula up 1-0. Kaylin Landash to serve for the Lady Green Wave. There's a quick set to Bennett. Didn't get over. 2-0 Ponchatoula. Landash to serve. Two to 1. Slidell will get the serve. Megan Amon will do the honors. Three to 1 Ponchatoula. Set number 2. Set number 1 went to Slidell, 25-19. Ashley Knaps to serve. That one's out. Ramsey's hit a little long, 3 to 2. Wait a minute. I got confused where they were throwing the ball. 3-2, Ponchatoula up. Perliska serving. That one's in. Reason thought it might be out, let it go. It caught the line, 4 to 2. Ponchatoula, set number 2. Skylar Ramsey to serve. Gabby Aguilar will serve.
That one's out. We're tied at 4. Ramsey long on a couple of hits early here in this set. Aguilar. Zeber. Sydney Zeber with a point. And Ponchatoula is up 5-4. Set number 2. Heather Lobb serving. Nice hit there from Aaliyah Burdine to tie this one up. Bennett checks back in the ball game, and Reason will serve. Larmew. Slidell almost saved that kill to Lana Larmew. 6-5 Ponchatoula. Emily Waddell will serve. And that hit by Higgins played off of the tape of the net and bounced favorably for the Lady Tigers to tie it up at 6. Jaslyn Bright, the left-hander. Larmew long on that one. I mean, check that, that was in. Nice hit down that side by Lana Larmew, makes it 7-6. Lady Green Wave and Zeber will serve. Quick set to Larmew. Erliska with the save there. Bennett. Lobb gets it back in, and that hit from Ramsey is long. And we're tied at 7. Casey Livingston to serve. Ramsey has to just keep it in play. Bennett blocked. Good diving save there, Ponchatoula. Big hit by Bennett. Another good save, Knapp's helping. Good block, but it was out. Eight, 7. Best point of set number 2 right there. That one's going to go out. Reno wide left on that one. Timeout. 2-point lead for Slidell in set number 2. They're up 9-7 over the Lady Green Wave of Ponchatoula. Livingston to serve after the timeout. Back set. Larmew took a little off of that one, as was Bennett, but Bennett's did not get over the net. 9-8, the Slidell lead. Landesh, Kaylin Landesh to serve. Bennett on a quick set. Ramsey at the net, excuse me, that was Hamilton at the net. Bennett takes a little something. Ramsey diving play, good play there. Ponchatoula to keep that one alive. Cross court, Aguilar. Zeber had that one. From the back line, Zeber. Wow, good save by Reason. And a finish by Bennett. Ten to 8, Slidell. Amon on the serve. Hamilton. Big hit from Burdine right there. Aaliyah Burdine knocking it off the block attempt. 11-8. Amon. Big hit from Ramsey. Skylar Ramsey gets her team within 2 at 11-9. Ashley Knaps will serve it up. Her team down by 2 here. Set number 2. Burdine with the point there. 3-point lead, Slidell. Riley Herliska will serve it up. Ramsey blasted that one down. Skylar Ramsey had some intent on that face of hers to just blast that thing down. It worked. It was like, don't bring that in here. I'm going to do that with it. Burdine, not enough to get it over. Ponchatoula within 1 now in set number 2. Leslie Curtis is serving. That's a redo. That's going to be a redo. As the ball hit up off the rafters. And we're tied with that served by Curtis at 12. Waddell wide right on that hit. In this part of the rotation, Slidell seemed to have slowed down a little bit. Aguilar will serve. And she handcuffs Zeber. That serve is long. Lobb will, after all the substitutions, Lobb will serve. Heather Lobb. Nice hit there from Burdine. Good set from Riley Herliska, and Burdine spanked that thing to the ground. Reason will serve. Zeber. Bennett long. Waddell. Bennett had some success down the middle in set number 1. Really haven't had that going. Larmew puts the roof on it there. Good play to tie this second set up at 15. There's been 5 ties, 4, 6, 7, 12, and now 15. And for the first time since 6-5, Ponchatoula's back ahead at 16-15. Blistering hit by Jaslyn Bright. Ties it up. This part of the rotation had some success in set number 1. That was kind of the first spark right here in set number 2. Zeber, block. Oh, Herliska. Ponchatoula up by 1 now. Zeber. Sydney Zeber. Larmew, big point. Puts her team up by 2. Zeber serving. That one did not go over. 1 point lead for Ponchatoula. And Livingston checks in. She's going to serve. Aguilar is back in. Ramsey took a little something off of that one. And Reason gets it over. Zeber with a bullet. And a 2-point lead. Kaylin Landesh to serve. That one's going to be out. 19-18. 1 point lead for Ponchatoula. Slidell to serve. They won set number 1, 25-19. 19-18 though in set number 2. Ramsey does not get it over. We're tied at 19. Megan Amon. That one's out. One point lead for Ponchatoula. Naps to serve. That one's long. 21-19. Two-point lead, Lady Green Wave. Good save by both sides. Hamilton went for the kill. She was not as close to the net as she thought she was. Good effort, though. Riley Herliska will serve. Slidell down by 1. Zeber. Big hit right there from Bright. Tied at 21. Jaslyn Bright. Herliska to serve. At the net. Nice play by Waddell. Push it off to the side, and a 1-point lead for the team in green, dark green jerseys, that is. Skylar Ramsey on serve. Herliska back set. Hamilton's just got to get it over. The lefty. Zeber. Good point here, both teams. Dump. Wow. Livingston went for the dive, but that nice dump right there gives the Lady Green Wave a 2-point lead. Timeout. 23-21, Ponchatoula up. Set number 2, and they trail 1-0. Trying to tie it up here. Ramsey to serve. Near the end of set number 2. Ponchatoula up by 2. Herliska back set. Aguilar. Naps with a dive, couldn't save it though. Slidell within 1. Gabby Aguilar will serve it up. Zeber. Sydney Zeber has been tough in set number 2. 2-point lead for the Lady Green Wave, and we're at set point here for them. Heather Lobb checks in to serve. And we got timeout at this point. 24-22 Ponchatoula late in set number 2. Heather Lobb to serve coming out of the timeout. 1 point from winning the set here in the middle. Good attempt. 24-23, but it's still set point. And Coach Long said, let's take a timeout. Reason to serve, still set point for the Green Wave. Big hit, there you go. Landesh down the middle. Or was that Waddell, I believe, down the middle to tie it up at 1 set apiece. Set number 3 about to get underway. Ashley Naps will serve it up. Each team has a set. So this is what I call pivotal game 3. Bennett off guard, at least gets it over with her left hand. Bennett. Erica Bennett puts the roof on that one. Livingston checks in, she'll serve. Big hit from Skylar Ramsey, ties it up. Ramsey has shown that she can have some power as an outside hitter. She'll serve it up. Zeber. Zeber was pretty tough in set number 2. She starts set number 3 off the same way, 2-1. And Ramsey serving. Three to 1. And here's where Coach Anderson doesn't want her team to lose concentration. The young girls out there, she wants them to focus down right now. Bennett takes a little something off Zeber, keeps it alive. Bennett down the middle for the point. Bennett checks out. Amon will serve. Zeber. Zeber is in fuego right now, on fire. Everything she's doing is working for the Lady Green Wave. A 4-2 lead. Heather Lobb will serve it up. Larmew nets that one. Riley Herliska, who has been the setter most of the game for the Lady Tigers service. We're tied at 4. Herliska again. Larmew gets it over. Good rally both sides right here. Good dig there. Naps goes for the dump. In the middle, Burdine Long. Aaliyah Burdine a tad long on that one. Five, 4, the lead for Ponchatoula. Waddell serving. Line drive serve. Aguilar gets it over and it's in. Lobb said, I think it's out, and stepped back, but ends up being in. And we're tied at 5. Aguilar. Zeber again. Sydney Zeber. Slidell is not an answer for that Ponchatoula player for sure. And Sydney is in the back. Maybe that's the answer. Rotate her back. Get her in the back line where she can't hurt you. Good block by Larmew. She put the roof on that one, and a 2-point lead, and Zeber is serving. Nice dig there by Reason. That one did not get over. Someone was in the net. Point to Slidell. Reason serve. Bright misses on that one. 8-6. 8-6. The Ponchatoula lead. Kaylin Landash checks in. Bennett, Zebra, good dig. Knaps with a nice play. Instead of trying to set it up, she just guided it over. Point for the Lady Green Wave and a 3-point lead. Landash will serve it up. Bennett blocked. Kashmir Hamilton, big time block, 4-point lead. Timeout. 11-6, 5-point lead for Ponchatoula in pivotal set number 3. Landash to continue serving. 5-point lead for Ponchatoula. Make it 6. Kendall checks in and Salmons checks out. That one's out. So the only miscue in that series of 6 points is now a unforced service error. 5-point lead now for Ponchatoula. Jaslyn Bright, who's shown some bright sparks tonight, serving. Zebra. Ramsey. At the net, Skylar Ramsey dunks that one. Knaps on the serve. That one's out. Wow, close, but it was out. 14-7, 7-point lead now. Knapp serving. That one's going to be long. Slidell to serve. Livingston checks in. Ponchatoula's up by 6. Set number 3. Each team has one set. At the net, Kashmir Hamilton blasted down, 15-8. Momentum clearly with the Lady Green Wave as the young Slidell Lady Tigers are having trouble right here in set number 3. You can tell they're tightening up a little bit, and the tighter they get, the looser the Lady Green Wave get. And the confidence builds for them. Bennett No. Carry. Bennett checks out. Amon is in and will serve. Megan Amon. Zeber, blast one once again. Heather Lobb in to serve. Verdine block. Zeber. Naps tries to get it over unsuccessfully. (17-10), 7-point lead. Riley Herliska to serve. Ponchatoula ahead. Verdine misplayed that. (18-10). 8-point lead for the Lady Green Wave. Jenna Reno to serve. Big hit from Bright, the lefty. Aguilar to serve. And that's out. 19-11. Ponchatoula, set number 3, tied at 1 set apiece. Momentum clearly with the Lady Green Wave. And an ace from Zeber. That hit long. Reason serves. Back set for Larmieux. And the point for Ponchatoula. 21-12. Landesh. Will serve. Lady Green Wave pushing out ahead here in the second set. Hamilton makes it 22-12. And a timeout for Slidell. They trail by 10 in pivotal set number 3. It's tied at 1 apiece, but Ponchatoula way ahead here in set number 3. Landesh to serve. Clearly momentum with the Lady Green Wave. The experience with them also as they push within 2 points of set number 3. Reason gets it over. Quick set. In the net was Kashmir Hamilton. And Jaslyn Bright will serve. Bright has been a bright spot for Coach Anderson's team tonight. Ramsey puts the kibosh on that one. Set point here, and a chance for the Lady of the Green Wave to go up 2-1. It's the best 3 out of 5 for the game. Ashley Knaps with set point. Bennett out. Point to Ponchatoula. They lead 2-1, winning set number 3, 25-12.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools, an A-rated school district. Graduates with the highest ACT scores in the state. Facilities with the latest technology. Safe and secure schools. A variety of sports. Fine arts. And learning to last a lifetime.
I'm Superintendent Trey Foles, and this is where we educate every child, every day.
Starting set number 4, Ponchatoula up 2-1. First point goes to Slidell. Livingston on serve. We're tied at 1 apiece. First set, a really good set back and forth. Slidell got a lead, maintained it, ended up winning the set. Second set, Slidell got a lead, and Ponchatoula hung in, and at the end made all the plays that you expect out of senior squad. And Zeber, who just missed that, was on fire in set number 2 and 3. Set number 3, Ponchatoula, just outstanding job of pulling ahead after about 5-5 and maintaining that distance and pulling away at the end. And Ramsey misses there. And the fear that I know Coach Lane has right now is that her girls up 2-1 are going to take a little breath here, take a little break. That serve deep by Amon. And that's in. 3-2. On the other side, Coach Anderson is hoping that her girls will refocus and get back on the track that they were in the game number 1. They really let game number 3 get away from them. Burdine, Zeber, Aguilar, Gabby Aguilar, 4-2. Riley Herliska to serve. Burdine. 5-2, and Coach Long senses a lack of concentration here, up 2-1 by her team in sets, but down 5-2, calls timeout with Slidell in the lead. Set number 4. Herliska will serve coming out of the timeout. I can't tell you how many times over the years doing these games I've seen a team get up. 2. That one's out. No, I'm sorry, called in, said in, all right. Herliska with the ace, 6-2, the lead. A team get up like Ponchatoula is right now, 2-1, and it's like they go, okay, let's take a little break. The last thing you need to do is take a break. You gotta have the killer instinct. You gotta put it away, and now, early in set number 4, they're 5 points down. And momentum has shifted momentarily back to Slidell. Herliska. Back set by her. And that one is out. 8-2. Herliska to serve again. That's in, down the line. Second ace down the line by Riley Herliska. Another good serve, makes it 10-2. Zeber puts a momentary stoppage to the run that the Lady Tigers had just gone on with Riley Herliska serving, and Heather Lobb will serve. Aguilar short arms that one. Lobb. That one long from Aguilar. Carry going to be called. Double hit. Sorry. Point to Ponchatoula. On a little bit of the run of their own, as Coach Anderson has made some changes that time about who to set up. Back set, Erdine just keeps it alive. Jaslyn Bright, shining bright right there. 11-6, that stops a 4-point run by the Lady Greenway. Gabby Aguilar to serve. In the net. Emily Higgins called for being in the net. Point to Ponchatoula, and there, number 13, Emily Waddell will serve. Ponchatoula down by 4. Bright misses on that attempt. Waddell out. 12-7, 5-point lead for Slidell. Set number 4. Ponchatoula has 2. Slidell has 1. It's best 3 out of 5. Quick set for Larmieux, and that one is long. Ponchatoula went down the middle that time, and Lana Larmieux was just a tad long. Zeber, why not? Coach Long hasn't had a setup for Sydney Zeber lately. She's been hot out here this evening. Blistered that one. Higgins nets it. And Zeber serves. Larmieux with the kill. Ponchatoula within a point. Zeber serving. Bright misses. 12-12. 5 straight points for Ponchatoula. Bennett in. 13-12. And Jaslyn Bright will serve. Comes out. (14-13). It was 14-12. My mistake. It's now 14-13. Landesh to serve. Bennett took a little something off of it. Good save by Ramsey and Hamilton. Ramsey dinks it. Not that time, though. Skylar Ramsey dunked that one. We're tied at 14. Landesh to serve. Zeber, oh, we got double hit. One-point lead for Slidell. Livingston checks in, she'll serve. Bennett, Zeber, good dig. Ramsey ties it up. Skylar Ramsey. Ashley Knaps to serve. Aguilar, Zeber, good dig. Dump, kept alive. We're going to say the ball hit the ground, I guess is the call. 16-15, Ponchatoula, 1-point lead for them. Aguilar. And we're tied at 16. Amon on the serve. Hamilton. 17-16. This set started out with Slidell going up 10-2. But Ponchatoula, the veteran squad, have crawled right back in this one and gone ahead at 17-16. Aaliyah Burdine with the kill to tie it up at 17. We've been tied at 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. Herliska. Quick set. Big hit from Emily Waddell. 18-17. Long rally again in that point. Heather Lobb to serve. Wow. Victoria Reason just found a little opening, and I like to call that placeage. She put it where they weren't. Tied at 18. Zebra blocked. Wow. Aaliyah Burdine with a huge block right there. 19-18. Good job of getting it over by Ponchatoula. No, too many hits on that. Higgins couldn't get it over, and we're tied at 19. The 7th tie since 12-12 in this set. Ooh, Emily Waddell. Unforced service error gives the other team the point and the serve. Can the Lady Tigers take advantage? Victoria Reason. Zebra. Once again, Zebra, Sydney Zebra with a big play. She'll serve, tied at 20. Larmew puts her team up by 1. Timeout late in set number 4. Ponchatoula up 2-1 in sets and by 1 at 21-20 in set number 4. Lady Green Wave 4 points from winning the game. Good rally here. Both teams knowing the importance of that point. And Skylar Ramsey puts that one away. 2-point lead for the Lady Green Wave. trying to close it out here. Bennett, Zeber, good dig. Oh, Zeber. Short arm that one. When I say short arm, they don't hit the ball at the highest part. When they're reaching up, they let it get below the highest part. When they hit it, it goes right in the net. 22-21, Bright serving. Zeber. 23-21. From the front line, from the back line, Sydney Zeber has been tough tonight. Kaylin Landesh to serve, 2 points away from winning the game. Bennett. Erica Bennett gets her team within 1 point. Casey Livingston checks in. Do or die now for the Lady Tigers of Slidell. Livingston on the serve. Keep the ball in play. Quick set for Bennett. Zeber dig. This one's got to go over. Miscommunication. Miscommunication there. We're tied at 23. Livingston. Oh my goodness. The old unforced service error. Oh, you give up a point, you give the other team the serve, and it's simultaneously, it's a timeout because it's going to be simultaneously set and game point. Ashley Knapp's to serve, 1 point from winning the set and the game. Back set, block, game. The ball went out. 3 sets to 1. Ponchatoula comes back from a 1-0 deficit to win it. We got to send our thank yous out to those people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foles, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swang, cameraman, editor, and coordinator of Channel 13, Dave the Rave Williams. This is Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night, God bless. You be good. You are now leaving the prep zone.